to welcome him on board. Mr. Akinola, good morning.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Finley. Good morning, sirs. Good morning, Mas. I trust you are doing good today. It's a fantastic morning here in the city of Ondo State, Nigeria. And yeah, I'm glad to have you all here. Please confirm if you can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. So good to have you here. So today we'll be looking at Google Docs tools. Yeah. And this is a productivity tool. And we're going to have a smooth ride. Okay, before I proceed, can I confirm if everyone here has been able to access their the invite I sent via email? Please confirm if you have the invite already. I sent an invite via email to everyone on this platform.
Yes, sir. I've been able to access it.
Oh, thank you, Prof. Good morning, ma'am. So, yeah, she's the only one I can see who is in the class at the moment. Please pardon me. I think it's fine. I just have 3 participants here. So, can you just do a brief introduction? I know, Prof. So, is it Commandant Adeleke, Prof. Adeleke? Please introduce yourself, sir, so that I can know you well.
Yes, I'm Idowu Adeleke.
Okay.
What else do you want me to?
What's your appellation, your title?
Oh, okay. I'm an computer engineer in civil service federal ministry, and I'm here to learn some more.
All right, thank you so much. You're welcome, sir. So, Engineer Adeleke, good to have you.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, so the other person is sorry, Jerome Dogari. I don't know if you're a prof. I would like to also know your title. Could you please unmute and let's meet. Hello, am I audible at your end? Is it Prof. Jerome now? Right. Okay, so in the meantime, while we wait for him, let's go on with the session. So, Engineer Adeleke, have you been able to access the link?
I can't find the link you are talking about.
All right, can you drop your email in the chat? Okay. Can you drop your email in the chat?
Okay.
Oh, are you the one that sent? Okay. I think I've seen your email. Ida Adeleke.
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to invite you straight up now to the class.
Okay.
Oh, I think you've been invited already, sir. Please check your mail.
Okay.
That same email, please check it, and you would have access to the class. All right. So,
okay.
Yes. Okay. You're welcome. Is it Dr. Rashid Hassan? Please let me meet you quickly. I need your email address. I want to believe your email too. Yeah. If your email address has not been added to the group, please drop it on the WhatsApp group. All right. So this is a master class, and it's something you definitely enjoy. So, and I will be taking you through the nitty-gritty of this particular tool we are talking about, and you'll be seeing possibilities on what could be done from this very tool. So, we'll be having the first 4 weeks would be on productivity tool, and everyone on this platform too would have access to a Canva. Yeah. Where you can create beautiful presentations, flyers and all for yourself. And if you are interested in probably setting up an enterprise with respect to that, you will be able to do it. So we'll be giving you access to Canva Pro for you to have beautiful designs that will help you to be the best you can be at whatsoever you do, either as an administrator or as an educationist. Yeah, in the educational space, you would have access to tools that will really enhance your productivity. All right, so I'll quickly add this person. Please let me meet you so that I'll be able to address you well, because I hope we'll be able to interact on this platform. Is it Dr. Rashid, or what's the name? What's the title? Azan Rashid, you've been invited. All right. So thank you so much, Engineer Delike. I can see you are here now. So good to go.
Okay.
Let's get straight into what we have for today. It's going to be hands-on and practical. So please, as you've gotten into the stream now, can you click on the first post there? You see additional material on Google Docs. Additional material on Google Docs. Please confirm to me as you click, get into the class, click additional materials on Google Docs. I think I should present that for you, but you will be seeing my entire screen. Let me share my screen for you so that okay, let me invite this. A moment. All right, so let me know when you are in. So I'm waiting for you because it has to be practical. Yeah, so and hands-on.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Oh, good to hear your voice.
Sir.
How are you, sir? Hello.
I'm fine, sir. It's Mr. Rashid Hassan.
Okay, Mr. Rashid Hassan, good to have you, sir. So an invite has been sent to your mail to access the class. Access the invite and access the class. So once you accept the invite, yeah, you will have the privilege of accessing the materials.
Okay.
So can you see my screen, please?
Yes, sir.
All right. So from here now, if you click on these additional materials, you will see this. This one is a text which I recommend you read up, which will give you a guide. Now, this now gives you access to the link. That's the material now. Let me add an additional material. Edit. Let me take down this Google Docs. Right, so I'm adding up this link for you. All right, so can you quickly check Stepwise Guide for Beginners? Someone confirm if you can see the materials at your hand. This is it here. This is a guide, and we'll be following this guide as we go through this particular session. And please feel free to hit me up anytime you have any question, so that I can stop by and respond to your questions. Hello, I hope I'm audible. Yes, thank you. Please, if you are in a quiet place, feel free to unmute so that we can interact in real time. I hope we'll be done with this session in the next 1 hour. So please feel free. So after this session, you have a fallback video on the platform for you. which would actually guide you into possibilities around Google Docs. Yeah. So this is just meant to give a complete overview and to introduce you to the tools and things you need to know around Google Docs. All right. You're welcome. Is it Dr. Abosede or Professor Abosede? You're welcome. If you're in a quiet environment, you're free to unmute.
Morning.
Okay, good morning. So if you're in a quiet environment, you can unmute yourself and let's interact in real time. So please, everyone, get onto the additional material and open up this. This is important. So you open up the stepwise guide for beginners. I could have made this a PDF, but I deliberately left it this way so that our interactions can be real. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. And I think, Mr. Akintobi, please take note. We are going to give prize to the most active participant at the end of this training. Yeah, we're going to give something to the person. All right. So good to have you. And yes, and any other person, when I say being active now, active, you do your assignment, you turn it in, you practice very well. In fact, you finish up this session and you can compete at global stage with Google Docs users, you know, to be able to, not only Google Docs, so we are going to take you through some fantastic tools during this session. Things you'll be glad you actually opt in for. Yeah, so let's go on. Can you confirm if you all are here, please? Or should I just go on as if I'm a radio broadcaster? Yeah, it can.
No.
I want to confirm if you're on the same page. Let me know if you're having any challenge.
Okay. I'm actually okay. The page you are, is it the Google document? Quickly
Yes.
start.
I can see Prof.
Hello, sir.
Nini. Yes,
Okay.
Mr. Rashid, you're welcome, sir. You can see Prof. Nina Benwari on the platform. I can see how she has accessed it. I'm waiting for others.
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Rashid, sir. Hello, Mr. Rashid. Mr. Azan.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Azan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Network is not stable on my side here. And I don't know, I'm on Android. Is it suitable for the program?
Yes, it is. It's suitable. You can use Android device. There's a guide here. When you check the stepwise guide, you can see how to access it using mobile, Google Docs and mobile. This is it here, number 10. Have you been able to access the platform?
Okay. The material you are talking about, I've not been able to access. I've not been able to access the material.
Okay. If your network is not stable, can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Can you confirm if you can hear me, sir? Okay. What do we do? All right. So okay. So for those who have
I'm
any,
not hearing you.
there's no problem, sir. We're going to send you link if you're
Yes,
having
it's
issues.
not stable.
There's no problem. If you're having issues with your internet access, we are going to send you a link to watch it afterwards. But if you can, I think YouTube latency should be okay. So I will send you a private link where you can watch it directly from YouTube. Is that okay with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'll drop that for you now as a message. So you can follow from YouTube. If you have questions, drop it on the chat. Is that Rashid? All right. So let me reply you privately. All right. So I've dropped the link for you in your private chat. So you can follow from there. I think that will be easier for you. The latency of YouTube is still okay compared to that of Google Meet. All right. So let me start up. Let me start up straight up. So Google Docs. This is what we want to do. Please, I expect others to join. If you have issues, you don't have issues with your internet service providers, please quickly join this so that we can work together. So Google Docs is a cloud-based word processor, and it's something you need to be very familiar with because it's a tool that gives you leverage to do so many things, you know, within the limited 15 gig storage space. Yeah. So Google Docs is a fantastic tool that everyone should actually use. It's a tool that is very, very important and would really help you to be the best at what you do. So for this now, you can see this is the next item. I'm just going to give a very brief introduction of this tool. With Google Docs, you can actually create, you can edit, you can collaborate on documents. Now, if you are a researcher, Google Docs is a fantastic tool for you. Take, for instance, you have other researchers and you are working together on a particular topic, and you all need to collaborate and to see what each other is doing in real time. Google Docs is a fantastic tool for you. So take, for instance, someone is picking up the introduction, someone is picking up probably the research objectives or hypotheses and all, and another person is speaking on the methodology, conclusion, whatsoever. So you can split this among yourselves and give yourselves the privilege of collaborating, you know, all at once on the same space and at the same time. So in addition to that, if you are the owner of it, even if you are not the owner and you have edit access, you can easily see the revision history and know this has been done at this particular time. This person touched this at this particular time and did this at this particular. So those are part of things I'm going to be walking you through today as we step into this particular platform. All right, let's head straight to the practical session in which we'll be making do with Google Docs to actually do what we really need to do. Stepwise guide for beginners. All right, so let's head straight into this now. So accessing Google Docs, the first thing is to access Google Docs. So how do you access Google Docs? Go to docs.google.com, docs.google.com, docs.google.com. I dropped that in the in chat, in the in-call message for you, docs.google.com. I've shared that document with everyone on this call also. Check it. I've dropped it there also. So docs.google.com gives you access to the platform for on how you can access this. Please, everyone, get on docs.google.com and let me know when you are there. I'll be waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting. Probably, you know what? I don't know if people are having issues using Google Meet. Are you having constraints using Google Meet? I'm just thinking, could that be the first thing we're supposed to do as an introduction to the session?
Well, I'm on it already.
All right, thank you very much.
On Google Docs.
All right, good. So can others also confirm? Docs.google.com. Then those not having access to the document, because I could only see Prof. Nen and Benwari on the Google Docs users sheet. So I can't see others yet. So please, I've dropped the link in the chat. Feel free to click on it to access it, everyone. Then for you to access Google Docs, go to docs.google.com. Now, if you're on mobile, for you to access Google Docs using mobile, this is it here. You have to download the Google Docs app. Download Google Docs app from Play Store. That's those using Android device. And if you are using Apple, what's it called, iPhone, get on iOS Store to download your whole app. Then once you get there, you open the app and sign in with Google account. Yeah, Google Docs is a it's part of the Google apps. Google is a product from Google. So you need an account, a Google account, to be able to use it. So then you can create, edit, and collaborate on documents directly from your mobile device. All right, so let's head straight into what we have to do. So the first thing I'm going to be doing today, as we get on Google Docs, I think I should create a new blank sheet. But when you get to your interface, your classroom, I've created that already for you. So in which everyone would have access to, and that's what you will use. It's an assignment. I posted that as an assignment already, and it's been assigned to everyone on that platform. So you all have your Google Docs. I have things to do with it. I wish everyone can get, I'm not really convenient, not getting feedback from others. So I assume you are following us. So if you have questions, please let me know before I go further, so that we wouldn't have gone far before you take us back. But that's no problem. So I'm starting a new Google Docs here now, and I'll be picking up the items one after the other. So I'm opening up Google Docs, new Google Docs. Can you look at my screen and see how I'm creating a new document? Google Docs is similar to your Microsoft Word processor, similar to WPS, but it's superb than that. And can I advise everyone on this masterclass session, please ensure you work with Google Apps. You have 15 gig free with Google. Then if you are interested in optimizing for a year, you can spend 45,000 naira to get like 2 terabytes rather, 2 terabyte storage space. Now, what's the beauty of using Google Docs? When you use Google Docs, you discover that your tools, your items, everything you save up in Google Docs as your document are saved forever. It's a cloud-based storage system. Now, Google gives you 15 gig of storage space that you can use, and that is forever, like forever, 15 gig. So if you have access to 15 gig, your documents can be saved. Now, take for instance, you are working on a particular project and you are doing that locally on your local machine. You know, there's a possibility of your storage device crashing. Yes, it's possible, especially those using HDD, that's hard disk drive. Now, you stand the risk of losing your device, I mean, your storage. So everything you've saved up there. But take, for instance, if your documents are saved in the cloud, documents, now take note of what I'm saying, documents saved in the cloud. If you save your documents in cloud, you will be more relaxed. Your mind will be at rest than saving your documents locally. Now, what does this cost? It doesn't cost you anything. Like I mentioned, you have 15 gig storage. And I think I should give this as an assignment to everyone on this call. That how many of you, okay, before I go on, please, everyone, I'll need your feedback. Your certificate, have you uploaded it online and saved it in the cloud? Engineer Delike, is your certificate in the cloud already? Your vital documents. I didn't get that.
But I didn't get that. You said the certificate.
Are your vital documents saved in the cloud already? Your certificate,
yes.
Document.
Yes.
All right, that sounds good. So, who else? Prof.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Right. So that will be very important for you to do. Okay. Yeah, I'm listening.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I
do save mine on my email. I usually save on my email. Is that advised? Okay,
you upload it on your email.
Saved on my email. Yeah. Yes. Usually.
Okay. All right. That's okay. It's fair enough. But I'm going to teach you. Okay, let me sample others too. I'm going to teach you how to organize. You know, just the way you organize files and folders in your normal PC, you can also do that in the cloud. that your files and folders are stored up as you save normally in your PC. You create folders for it, you name everything. If I show you my Google Docs, you will see a perfectly arranged Google Docs. Everything there are perfectly arranged. So is it Mr. or Dr. Jerome Dogari? Please feel free, everyone should unmute. I need to hear your voice too. So are your documents saved in the cloud? Yes, Mr. Rashid, you can also talk. Please feel free.
I save in email as well.
You save an email, all right. So it's fine, but that won't be compact. That won't be compact. So I think I need to still walk you through. Yeah, Mr. Jerome or Dr. Jerome, the guy.
I save in email too, but maybe by after this class, I'll be able to save in the cloud.
All right, so that's no problem. So it's very easy for you to save in the cloud. Please, I see every one of us on this call as a family. This is a master class. So, and feel free, open up, and let's relate together. Yeah, there's no issues. We are here to ensure you get the best of what you've actually came here to do. So to save in the cloud is very easy. Very, very easy. Like I mentioned, you all have 15 gig storage space from Google, which you can use. And if you want to improve it, probably you have some vital videos, you have some vital audio tapes and all, and you need more space. You can get 2 terabytes of storage space for just 45,000 naira, 50K from Google. Sorry, Google didn't pay me to do this for them, but I felt it's going to be needed and necessary for everyone on this call to actually learn this. Yeah, so let's quickly move straight up. Please, I'm going to note that as part of the add-on I'm going to be talking about in this class. So I will be I don't know. Okay, Ms. Akelubi, can you just help me pin it on the chat in the group so that I will take note of it as part of the things I'm going to take the class through. Right. So let's go straight into the first process. So having gotten to the Google Docs space, look at this now. Opening up a Google Docs. To open up a Google Docs, a new one now, it's very simple, like I mentioned. So what do you have to do? The first thing you do is to come over here. Look at this now. When you click on this file tab, the next thing to do is to click on new. You want to create a new document, and you come here and click document. So once you click that document, I'm going to share the new document with you. Look at this now. This is a new document I'm opening up here. Now, for me, you can see the suggestions coming up because I'm using a premium version. Yeah, so I can automatically tell the guy to create document for me, help me write something, import a template and more. You know, all these ones, you don't need premium version to do all this. You don't need it to do all this. Premium version doesn't mean in all of this. So the next thing you need to take note of, people of knowledge. Let me borrow from the words of Mr. Akelubi. People of knowledge. So you come over here. In this untitled, can you see the document is not yet titled? Can you see?
Yes.
Over here. Yeah. Please, if you're in a quiet, please unmute. Let's interact in real time. I want to believe you're in. Yeah, all right. Thank you, Engineer Delike. We are in class. So it's a virtual class, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't contribute. So please unmute yourself. Let's contribute in real time. Do away with distractions wherever you are. Concentrate on this session and let's get the best from it. Yeah. So you come over here. I want you to really. Yeah. Go on, Prof.
I've not got to where you are yet.
All right, Prof. It's
simple. Google Docs, I'm seeing start a new document, blank document, resume.
Oh, I get you, Prof. All right, so let me head straight to that same place where you are. Let me head straight to that same place.
That's what's open. I opened.
Yeah. Don't worry, I got that. This is what you saw.
Yes, sir.
This is cool. All right. So this is what everyone will see when you get on this interface at first. Yeah. So when you get to this place, yeah, it's just for you to. The next thing you will do from here is to choose if you would like to have a blank document. I hope I'm audible at your head.
Yes.
So if you like to have a blank document is something like this. This is a blank document. Yeah, so nothing is there, it's just blank. Now, the next thing is for you to choose if you like to use a template. Now, these are templates that are available. Look at the templates gallery. So if you are working on a brochure, you have this template, resume. You have this. You want to work on a letter, you have this. You have a project proposal in mind. This is a template for you. Report and all. So everything I hear for you to explore. So the next thing I would like you to do, everyone on the call, after getting to docs.google.com, yeah, this interface here, I need you to pick a particular template. Yeah, work with the templates. Let me give you that to do within the next 5 minutes. You take, for instance, you want to work on a template that has to do with newsletter, this newsletter template here. So can we pick that up? You pick up this newsletter template. Let me open it up. Yeah, so look at this here. Artwork Week Digest. Maybe someone is about starting an e-blog where you will be writing about certain things for people. Yeah, this is something you can start out with this. Don't be ashamed to start. Yeah, I think I need to make that clear. Don't be ashamed to start. So whatever you have in mind, you want to start out probably a blog, you can publish it online and people can come read and drop their comments about it. It's very, very easy. If I have that time to, I might just give you a walkthrough on that. But can everyone just pick a template and open it up and customize it? Just touch it one way or the other. Then after touching it, I will give you the privilege of sharing it with us. I need you to do that within the next 5 minutes. Is that clear? Hello.
Yes.
All right, so please quickly pick a template and open it up.
Okay. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Do we change what is already on the template?
Hello?
Yes, you can tweak it, man. You are free to tweak it.
Because
Just
the
tweak.
template already has.
Yes, you are free to tweak it to your taste. Put the name of your brand there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm actually using WPS, so it's not giving me all the templates that I needed. So all I'm seeing here are projects and all those things.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir. What did you say?
Hello, sir.
Hello, I can hear you. I can hear you.
I've quickly turned to my PC.
Oh, sounds good.
So
Sounds good.
I'm on Google Docs now.
Cool.
So
Cool,
the place for me now is I have template gallery. How do I go? So
sounds good.
How do I go from there?
No problem, sir.
I have
no
blank document, resume letter. Sir, yes, sir.
All right, so that sounds good. So pick any of the templates. Click on that template gallery and pick any of the templates that you would like to use. You can pick a newsletter. and just open that up.
Any of the templates?
Yes, newsletter preferred. I have newsletter here.
Okay.
The one I'm opening up here now is newsletter. Okay.
Okay, I can go to letter as well. I have letter here as well.
All right, that sounds
Okay,
good, sir. Edu with Tech Weekly
It's
Digest. Yeah, look at this now. This is mine. Edu with Tech Weekly Digest.
I'm on.
So, yeah, I'm from here now. Oh, maybe we should play with this. Should we play with this a while?
Your name?
You said what, sir? Now, let me quickly touch on some things, man. Okay, so we've opened up a new template. Let me quickly walk you through how to edit your template. Please look at this closely. Just look at your screen, please. From here, you can see image options. These are image options here. You can see certain things here. How do you want the image to work? Do you want it to wrap with text? Look at this, maybe something like this. You want it to be in between text like this, or whichever one you want for your image. Now, the next item here, I'm going to do something here. Let me reduce this image. Cool. Can you see? Oh, man, I just confirm if you can see what I'm doing.
Yes.
You're right. All right. So I want to be sure you are following.
As we can see, yeah.
All right, that sounds good. So now look here. For this particular item here, look at this image.
I've lost your screen, sir.
Okay, so get back to the Meet call. Get back to the Meet call. I can hear you, sir. Get back to the Google Meet call. Get back to the Google Meet call.
Hi.
Yeah. So here you go. You remember when we started out, this image was large at the center of this.
I'm on Google Meet.
All right, so can you see my screen now?
Okay.
All right. So this image was large. So, but we had to work on the image options. Look at this. I just clicked on this and came to image options here. How many of you have image in the template you picked?
There's no image in mine.
Okay, you see image in yours. Please click on it. If you are not responding audibly, please respond with either in-call message. I need feedbacks. Or I just assume I only have 2 participants in this, 2 or 3 participants in this call and just go on. I want us to interact so that you can get best value for your time. Please feel free to ask me a question. Whatever you are not clear about, don't feel very free. Like, let's see ourselves as families relating here. I don't know. I hope I'm speaking someone.
Okay, sir.
All right, sir. So
I'm following actually. Hello, can you hear me?
Cool. I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
I already have an idea about all you are saying. So
sounds good.
I use it for my students as well. So I'm just like following and see if I can increase and add to my knowledge. So I'm following actually. Yeah.
That sounds good. Thank you. So over here now, you look at the image over here.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm on this same page, but I've not seen the image options.
Okay, you're on the same newsletter page for me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe
I'm trying to find where the image of. I'm using a PC.
Okay. Yeah, it's very easy, man. Just click on this image. Click on this image. Click on your image. Just tap on it once. Tap once on it.
I've done that.
Cool. Look at the top here. Can you see my screen? Image options. Just look at the top. Once you tap on it, you will see image options.
Okay.
At the top. Can you see it? Can you see that, man?
There are different things. I'm trying to check which one is image option.
Oh man. Can you look at your screen here? Like your screen, look at this. This is what I meant by image option. Over here. Image options. So once you tap on that image, it pops up the image options for you. But if you didn't tap on it, you won't see. So you need to click on that image just once. Just left click on the image once. Left click once. Then you see image options. Then from the image options now, you will be able to see, you've seen it, sounds good. So then it's going to bring some catalogs, like some options.
Text wrapping.
Yes, exactly. So click on text wrapping. Look at this now. So want to do it like a newspaper blog. Click on text wrapping. Look at what I did here. I clicked on this wrap text. After clicking on wrap text, if your image is still big, click on that blue eye. Look at this place. This blue drag tool that is here. When you click on this, you bring this down.
Okay.
So that helps you resize it. Then it wraps around the text you're working with. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
All right. So who else is having any constraint around doing that? Okay, so from the image options, the next.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
All right,
Doctor, sir.
I can hear you.
I'm on my PC now. I can see your screen, but I'm not really seeing your cursor. How it's. I can see we have a surprise.
Can you see my mouse icon now, like the movement of my mouse?
That's what I'm looking for. I can't see the mouse icon.
Can you look at it? Look at that red Edu with Tech Weekly Digest. Look at it. That red icon. Can you see my mouse there? I'm shaking it for you to see.
Like
okay,
a cross.
Okay.
Something like a cross.
I can see it.
All right,
you are zooming it.
All right,
yes.
That sounds good. So this is it now. So if you tap on your image once, at the top here, you will see image options. At the top of that red logo, that love logo.
Yes, it's there.
So once you click on that image option, you'll be able to wrap your text. So text wrapping, you'll be able to size and rotate your text, whichever way you want. I mean, your image rather. Whichever way you want to do that. You can lock the aspect ratio. You have so many functionalities here. The position, where you want it to be, move with text. Do you want it to move with text, or you want it fixed on the page? So it depends on what you want. Then if you want to recolor your image, you can do that. Recolor, let me click on that. So recolor, look at the recolor options here. If you choose any of it, it's going to reflect on the image. So then here you go. If you go back, adjustment, the opacity, the brightness, so if you want to bright, look at this. So those are the differences in the features. The contrast also is here, and we can also reset. Now alt text. Now let me explain this alternative text. Now the impact of alternative text works for people who are disabled, like people with disability, or people who have poor internet speed, like low bandwidth now. So when there's an alternative text, that text will display as a description of the image you put up there. So this image is here now. Can we put a description for it? Maybe a table with books. Table with books. Now this table with books, we'll put that as an alt text. So even if this image doesn't load because someone has low bandwidth, or probably it's for people who need text to, text to speech. Now, for those who are visually impaired and they are using text to speech, so they can really understand the image that is attached. So it will read it as an image which has a table with books, as the options there. So this image now, you see, we've tweaked it, we've touched it, and it's now different from what it was earlier. We can take it back to the initial version. How do we do that? Everybody take note of this. There's something here, which is last edit. When you tap on this, look at this item here. So it shows me my revision history, and I can take it back. Can you see something here? Oh man, I hope someone got this. All right. So now, if you've edited your work and you discover, since this thing has gone bad than I really expected it to be. The beauty of this Google Docs is that there is a version history which you can easily pick up. Look at this now. I'm picking up the version history. Look at this. Version history. Version history. Look at it. Look at the version history. This one is bigger. This is not what I want. I want it to be smaller. Yeah, just like this beside it. So picking this version history now, I can restore this version. And when I restore this version, yeah, I restore it to, oh man, I know we have a computer engineer on this course, so he would know about something called restore. There's a restore possibility on your PCs. Now, take for instance, what happened to your PC, and you discover the settings and the configuration of this PC has been distorted, like
Tampered
with, or probably you lost some files in the process, and you feel, if I can get back to the older version, I'll be able to pick up those items. So what do? You can restore. There's something called restore point, and there's a time to restore it to. The same thing applies here. So here we go. You discover, okay, I need to restore this to an earlier time. So you can definitely do that, and you will discover that your work, your document will be restored to an earlier version. You want to say something?
It's as if I've lost your screen.
Oh man, and my screen is still visible here. Can you confirm it? Can anyone still see my screen? Can anyone still see my screen? All right, that's good. I want to know your title.
Yes.
Is it Dr. Abosede or what? Let me know your title, Prof.
Yes, Dr. Maya. Yeah.
All right, that sounds good, Dr. Maya. All right, so thank you. So this is just a side chick or a side touch. This is not the main thing we intend to do. So please, I just touched on this, and with what I've touched on, I've been able to touch on one or two things that has to do with what the main context of what we are meant to do. So I'm going to walk you through, and it will be very, very easy from here. So let's head straight. If you go back to that docs.google.com, look at this now. Docs.google.com. Google.com. You can go back, docs.google.com. So let's pick a blank document. Click blank document. When you click blank document, you come here. A blank document. There. So in this blank document, take for instance, you just want to open a blank. You know, my life has been so, should I say, configured to use Google Docs. Anything I want to do, I use Google productivity tool, like, because I can't depend on my local machine. Yes, I can't. I use an SSD. I by God's grace, I use an high-end system, like a solid system. But in the same vein, I can't depend on my PC because anything can happen. So if something happened and probably I lost some files, yeah, you know, it's possible for you to restore lost files when you are. So it's possible for you to restore your files when your hard disk or your solid state drive, SSD or HDD, when it's crashed. Yeah, it's possible, but that is a 50-50 trial. So in order not to just waste my time, anytime I have to do anything, internet is not a problem. So I'm virtually online 24/7. So I just need to head straight to a Google Docs, open a new Google Docs, and put a title for it. This is a class on Google Docs. Let's say Google Docs tutorials. Now, automatically it saves up for you. The next thing I want to do is to pick up items. Let's say I have this particular item here. Stepwise guide for beginners, Google Docs. Now, whenever you copy anything, let me copy something online, Google Docs. I want you to see a difference, just something. I want you to see something. You notice something here. I want you to see something. Yeah. In the text formatting, you discover that, yeah, some things are not going to be properly formatted here. Okay. So I have this here for you. Look at this document. Oh, this one is even still well formatted, but let me pick another one. I want something that will just pick the typography. Okay, cool. Look at this. So this is different from the conventional work we are doing, because you can see that it has a black background with a text, a white font color. So what do? The important thing you are meant to do from here is to use this clear formatting tool. Clear formatting. Can you see clear formatting here? Please confirm if you can see it. This is very important. Now, if you want to use the shortcut is there. That's control, then backslash, control backslash, control backslash, if you want to use it. So click on this clear formatting. Can you see? So it automatically clears the formatting. Now, if you are working with
Sorry, sir, can you move your cursor so that I see where the clear formatting
okay, it's here. It's like the last tool on this interface. If you are using a 14-inch PC, but if your PC is smaller than 14, 14 inches rather, if your PC is smaller than 14 inches, it's possible it shrinks it. So if it shrinks it, this is it here. Can you see my cursor? The last two.
I can see it, sir.
Oh, that sounds good. So clear formatting. If you are not using clear formatting, you can just press Control plus Control. Let me put it up here. Control CTRL, then plus backslash. Is it here? Control plus and backslash. So if you copy something from Gemini, or you copy from Google Bard, Gemini, Google Bard, the same thing, Copilot, or you copy from ChatGPT, and you discover that the format is not okay as you expected, just clear format. Clear format. So when you clear formatting, it will take you to the default format. What's the default format? Arial 11 font. So here you go. This is it here. So from here now, let's assume we want to, let's just work on this. Let's work on this as we go straight up. So from here, I have this particular item. I'm going to start out with the first menu bar that we have here. This is file. From your file, you can see new. From this new, you can create a blank document. You can tell the Gemini AI to create something for you. From here now, you can pick up an item from a template. Let me use Gemini so that we all understand that also. So what do I want to work on? Let's start creating something. Create. Let me tell the guy to help me create. Is only available in, okay, so he said it's only available in new document. So let me open a new document so that we can do help me create. Yeah. Docs.google.com. I want to pick a new document, blank document now. So help me create. He said it's only available in new documents. Help me write. It's here already. Well, for those that would like to go through this route, let me do that for you straight up from here. So help me create. All right. So create a Google Docs tutorial for me. Okay, compiling information. Oh man, you can't see what I'm doing. So it's telling me creating insights, compiling information.
We can't see your screen.
You can't see that. Oh, sorry. I'm going to stop.
You can't see you.
You can't see. Sorry. Oh man. Can you see this now? Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes, you can see it.
Yes, it has changed.
All right. So I'm doing cool. So can you see it now? Generating possibility, formulating ideas, creating insights, generating possibilities.
Yeah.
So just reiterating that. I told the guy to create a Google Docs tutorial for me. So let's wait. Gemini. Compiling information. So cool. Super. Woo! Can somebody see something?
Yes.
See. Someone will say, Obe. How many of you understand what that means? Yeah, like the guy has brought solid sweet food. Can you see this? Is this fantastic or not?
It is.
All right, so can you all try that out at your hand and let me know what you have?
Okay.
So it's an AI training.
Okay, you use the Gemini.
Yeah, use Gemini from Google. Gemini is integrated with my Google Docs. So, like I said, go to File. From File here, go to New. Then click on Help Me Create. You need to have a blank document. Prof, I hope this is clear.
New.
Can you see Help Me Create from your New? So we have Google Docs tutorial. Gemini has been integrated to
Sir, please, how did you get to the Gemini?
Oh, okay. So it's
From the Google Docs tutorial document after titling.
okay, yeah. From Google Docs, go to docs.google.com. Let me open that up. Docs.
Yeah.
Another page.
Yes.
Okay.
Look at this. Here you go. From docs.google.com, go to blank document. So from blank document, come to File. I hope you can see my mouse. Under Untitled Document, come to File, go to New. Can you see my mouse, Prof?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. So then you come to Help Me Create. Help Me Create. So when you click on Help Me Create, now here you go. You describe what you want. So I told the guy to generate a Google Docs tutorial for me, and it did. Understand? Look at this now. You have other things: planning documents to launch, employee onboarding guide, newsletter that highlights certain things. So whatsoever you want, you can actually do that from there. Is that clear, ma?
I don't have Gemini. I don't have Gemini on mine. No,
You don't have Gemini on yours?
I don't have Gemini. No.
Okay, just
I have to download that
new document.
Yeah.
Create, but I'm not seeing that Help Me Create.
Okay, just a moment. Let me check up. I want to check up maybe because I'm using a premium version. Coming in. Okay. All right. You know what you can do? I want to see something. I'm seeing an option here. Oh man. Let me see integrating. Okay, so I'm coming. I think I can add a few people to this particular journey. But do you have Gemini icon on your docs? Not sure. I'm not sure.
No, no, I don't.
You don't. Okay, okay, okay. So it means Google wants you to use the premium version then. All right. So I think I'll do something. I'll see what I can do to add. I think it's possible to add probably a few persons to my own version. So I'll see what I can do between now and our next class to actually add a few persons here. But in the meantime, let's just flow with what we are working on. I tried that now. Oh, I'm just seeing that it's because I'm using a premium version. That's why that is made available to me. All right. So then those of you that are interested in using the premium version, is not much. It's 40, I think 50,000. So you can actually explore that as
is that per annum? Is that supposed to be per annum?
Yes, that's per annum.
Renewable every year.
Per annum.
Okay, subscription.
And you have 2 terabytes. You have 2 terabytes free.
Oh.
So it means you have a storage space embedded with it. So it's a fantastic thing you can explore. Yeah, because it gives you better leverage, and you'll be able to do a few things. You discover that your email can be summarized for you. Yeah, those are part of the things. So you got an email, you can tell the guy to summarize your email for you. You can tell the guy to can just sort so many things for you. So you are basically your administrative tasks can be reduced, you know, with these tools and functionalities. Right. So if for those interested, you can try to opt in for it. When you opt in for it, maybe I'll pitch that to the last class. Just walk you through how to integrate it into your day-to-day activities and get more value for your time. All right, so let's get started. Let's quickly go. Let's go. Time has gone. So here now on the menu bar, here is a menu bar. So you come to File. You have new. If you are creating a new document, you can actually do that here. If you're opening an existing document, this is Control-O. If you are making a copy, take for instance, okay, something, I was working on something, even this morning, the Stepwise guide I shared with everybody. I made a copy for myself already before sharing it to everyone. So I made a copy and that one is available for me. So if everybody tampered with the one I shared with you, there's no problem. If you all tamper with it, I don't have issues. So the copy I made has been reserved for myself. Are you getting what I'm saying at all? So you can make a copy of a document and everything. The beauty of this is it is auto saving. You don't need to, my system dropped down. I didn't remember to save. You know, all those headaches. You don't need to give yourself those unnecessary headaches. Yeah, all of that are sorted for you. Now, you can share. You can share. Let me share this with everyone. How do I get your email? I don't know. I'm not sure I have the email of everyone listed. But let me try it out. So if I want to share, with people, you can share. So I've shared with Mr. Akinubi. So then if I want to put a message, I can put a message there. Yeah, that's how to share. Now, if I want to do something, publish to web, can you see this? So I can publish it to web. I want a link. Are you sure you want to publish the selection? Yes, let me publish it. Look at this now. This is a link. I've copied the link. Can you also check the in-call message and click on it? Sorry, let me click Ctrl+C. All right, so here we go. This is the link. Please click on it, everybody. Please click on it, click on that link in the in-call message. I just published it to web, so it's accessible to everyone. More like a website now. Look at this now. Published using Google Docs. Man, can you see something? I hope we are together. So it means you can have your tutorials, your class, probably you, oh man, fantastic. You're an educator on this platform and you teach a prof. It's, oh, you're a lecturer. You don't need to bother yourself. Your course content can be online for your students to view. This is it here. You can publish to web. It's available. Everybody can publish to web. All right, please open a Google Docs. Open a Google Docs, everybody. I won't proceed until that is done by everyone. Open a Google Docs and click on that file tab. Click on file tab, everybody. Open a Google Docs, click on file tab. This is a published version. I've published it and it's live here. Open a Google Docs, click on file type. Then from the file type now, this is it. Open a Google Docs that you've saved on your drive already. Click on file. From file, come down to share. From share, click on publish to web and drop your link in the chat. Drop your link in the chat. Are we together?
Do you mean we should copy the link you sent to us and then
No, I want you to do it.
again?
I want you to publish yours. Just pick a document or just copy a document anywhere.
Okay.
And publish it, send the link here so that I can view.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want everyone
okay, fine. Yeah.
Please let me know if you have any constraints. Feel free. I expect everyone to do that. You have the next 3, 4, 5 minutes to quickly do that, please. Amen. Please confirm if you are doing that already.
Should we send the link as a message on this platform?
Yes, send it as an in-call message. As an in-call message on this chat so that I can pick it up from there.
I've done that.
All right, so I will check now. Yeah, thank you. Let me view. Hey, it's telling me I need to request access. Can you make it? What access did you give it? I've sent a request though, so you can give me access. Engineer Deleke, are we together? Prof, are we together?
Yes,
Dr.
I'm
Maya.
working.
All right. Dr. Maya, I've requested access. Can you grant that? This is it. It's telling me I need access. So beyond this, this is a live session. There is a video already in the class which walks you through the platform. And please, in the course of you watching the video, if you have any question whatsoever, feel free to hit me. I will respond to it. Okay. Are we together? Man. All right. Right. So while I wait for others, yeah, Dr. Maya Dinu, you're welcome. I've not seen the
Yes, I'm actually trying to figure out what I'm meant to do.
Okay. Just grant access.
Yeah.
If you check your email, you will see this access request.
Okay, email. Okay, I have to go to the email.
Yeah, go to your email.
Okay.
The request would have been sent to your mail.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I got it.
You have it now?
Yes, it's trying to load. I think the network is kind of slow. It's loading now. Okay, join class.
So now this is the beauty of what you are doing. If you make you publish it, you made a post and you made it public, you published it, and you sent it to some persons. It's a general publication. Now you can do something from here. Anyone that needs to access it will request for. Thank you, Prof. I've seen it also.
Okay.
Let me. Cool. So I've seen Prof. Prof's son is accessible straight up. So yeah, I can see it. Look at this here. All right. So, but if you want to improve your privacy and security, and probably the document, you just want your students to have access to it. So after sharing the link with them, just like you did, they can request access, and they have to put their name in requesting for access. You get now. Look at this. Let me share this with you. Look at this screen.
Yeah.
So you tell them, put your name there. Akinola Mushobalaje. Let's say, hello, Dr. Maya Din. I'm Akinola Mushobalaje. I need access to this document. So with this now, you know the name and you can confirm, is this person my student or not? Do I have any relationship with this person? Do I wish to give access to this person? Yes or no? So when I click on request access, you can check this last request access I sent to your mail now. You'll find that optional message in that request access. So it means you can read it through and confirm if you would like to give that access to that person. Is that clear, please? So as an administrator, if you're an administrator and you're working on something and you have a document to share with some group of persons, you can also do this. You publish it and just send the link to them. So if it's something you want open to every one of them, you can then do that. You can make it open to them. If it's something you want restricted, you can restrict it so that some set of persons will have access to it. Now, from this share option also, look at this. From this share option, where am I share? All right. Look at this now. From this share option, from this share, you can click, when you click share with others, you can put emails of people you want to share with here. Emails can be here. Just put their respective emails there. When you put their emails there, so it goes to them directly, and they have access to it. Is this clear, please? Like, please in capital letters. Hello. Okay. All right. So I will assume a yes.
Sorry, my network at this end is very, very poor. So
Yes.
it's really putting me off, and have to.
Hey, sorry, sir. Sorry. You can catch up with the recording. So
Okay.
you can catch up with the recording. You can catch up with the recording. Yeah. So
Okay.
it's available for you to make do with and catch up with that. Yeah. So as we proceed, let me also do this. So I've talked about the sharing. You can share with as many persons as you so wish. We are still on the file. And look at this now. You can rename. If you want to rename this, just to rename the document name, you can rename. If you want to move it into a particular folder, you can do that. Add shortcut, you can do that. If you want to move it to trash, you can do. If you want to watch the version history, remember I did that at the time when I restored to an earlier date, an earlier time. This is a version history here. You can see last edit 24 minutes ago. Man, I hope this is getting clear to some persons here. If you want
Yes.
to, yeah, you have it here. Your page setup can be done here. Is it portrait? You want landscape? Whatever you want. Do you want to apply it to the old document or some selected pages? Now, do you want to, you want it to have a pageless document? You understand now? Look at all this. So background color and everything. It's possible. Just tweak it the way you want. Like tweak it to your taste and do whatsoever you so wish to do. I'm available for any of your questions, and I will definitely respond to it in the course of the week. So we have this view, the mode. Is it an editing mode you want? Suggesting viewing. This is very important when you're working on mobile. I work on mobile, either I'm using my tablet, I'm using my mobile phone. I discover at times I want to read through a document. If it's in editing mode, it might be disturbing or distorting the flow of my proofread. So what do? I turn it into viewing mode. Yeah. So now comments. This is very, very important. Very, very important. Let me take you through that as we proceed. Now, if you want to put a comment, let's assume this particular font. I hope you can notice what is here. Now, look at this. This font, is this font and this font, are they the same? These two fonts. Look at this, these two fonts. The
No,
Google Docs.
no, they are not.
They are not the same. They are not the same.
They are not the same. All right. So we can add, yeah, from here, if you highlight it, you can add a comment. After highlighting, just right click on it. Right click on it. Then you can see control comment. You can drop a comment about this.
Comment.
So yeah, if you want to use the shortcuts, you can see Control Alt M. We help you add a comment to this. So I want to drop a comment. I come here, put a comment here. You can see. So from here now I can say this font family is not the same with the previous paragraph. Please edit appropriately. And I hit comment. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, if you are collaborating with someone on a project.
Exactly. That's what I want to say. This is my project. Yeah.
You are collaborating with someone on a project and you need to work together in real time. And as the person is doing the work, you notice, you didn't do this part very well. This guide will help beginners get started with Google Docs. The grammar here is not correct. I don't mean the grammar is not correct. I'm just giving an example. the grammar construct is not appropriate. So I hit this and drop my comment. So can you see the beauty of this now? So you can drop it. And when the person comes, the person can decide to say, oh, I'm resolving it. So you can see mark as resolved. So once the person click mark as resolved, then it will leave. Can I share this with everyone? Let me share. so that you can also access it. Yes, how others are following through too. Prof.
Yes, I'm following.
All right, ma. Dr. General, yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, engineer. Then Dr. Rashid Azan too. Please, there's a follow-up video.
Following.
Yeah. There's a follow-up video. Please, you watch the video, and if you have any question whatsoever, feel free to ask. I'll respond to your question. So whatever you want, look at this now. These are headings. If you want to pick an heading, this is heading. If you want to centralize, let me just walk you through this particular toolbar here, and we will get over this. If you want to centralize, look at this. You can centralize from here. If you want to underline, Control U. Underline is here. If you want to use it directly, if you want to bolden it, you can bolden from here. Now, you can see this is a text color. You can also change it from here, whichever text color you so wish to use. So all of that are possible from this particular place. And when you discover, okay, this formatting is distorted, I need to take it off. I need to clear out formatting. What do I do? Come to this place and click clear formatting. Clear formatting. This is it here. Clear formatting. Clear formatting or control \. Now, after clearing formatting, I like using Trebuchet. This is the best font family I like. Now, I take it to the default 12. Let's say 12 now. So I want this particular title to be center aligned. Control Shift E with center align it. Or you come over here to center align. And if you want to justify, you can justify from here also. Justification can be done from here. So you can see the possibilities of what we can do with Google Docs from here. So any questions for me before I proceed? I think I should quickly touch on something for what's it called? For researchers. This is Zotero. How many of you know how to use Zotero as a researcher?
No, not really.
Oh, all right, sir. Zotero, Dr. Mayadin, Prof.
No, sir, I don't.
All right. So yeah, so Zotero can be integrated. All right, Zotero can be integrated. Please feel free to unmute. Let me know. I think I've gotten 3 over 5 now. So let me go on. Let me just explain Zotero. Look at Zotero.
I use Zotero partially.
Okay. All right. So I have a video that will guide you on how to use Zotero. You can check youtube.com/headwithtech. You'll see a video tutorial on Zotero there. So, but let me quickly explain this to you. Take, for instance, you're a researcher and you need to work on a particular thing. You need to cite your references and all. So I come to Zotero. This is Zotero. I've integrated this as a plugin. You understand? So you can add Zotero to your Google Docs. You understand now? Hello, are we together?
Okay, as a plugin.
Yes.
So when you open Google Docs, you need to check on. Sorry, let me quickly share that with you so that you can quickly do that. All right. So how many of you have Zotero installed on your PC?
Yeah.
It works with that. So quickly, let me just quickly drop that for you. Zotero download. That you can download Zotero straight up. I believe you have good network speed. You need that. All right. So quickly, let's pick this. Remember, we are still working on Google Docs. I've sent the link to the in-call message. Click on that link, please. And you'll get to this tab, download. Are we together? I hope we are together. Please let me know if you are making downloads here. So I will know if I'm to wait or I just go on.
Yes, I'm downloading already.
All right.
I'm downloading also.
All right. Thank you.
There's also another one that says the Zotero connector. Install
Yes.
Chrome connector.
Allow it. Install it also. Install it. So you have to link it. Then you need to create an online account for Zotero. Create an online account for Zotero also. Are we together? Please give me progress report on what you are doing.
Downloading, yeah.
All right. Let me know when you are done. So download and install.
I'm also downloading now.
All right, sounds good.
I think it's added to the page. Hello?
Yeah, engineer Deleke.
Yes, it's added.
So your Google Docs.
Yes.
Super. I wish you can see me. I'm throwing 2 hands up for you. Right, that sounds good. All right, so let's wait for others. Dr. Maya, didn't Prof. Then,
it's installing on my
It's
system
still
now.
downloading.
it's still downloading. It means
Mine is
Yeah.
okay. Your ISP speed.
I think the server is slow.
Yeah, that's
It's kind of
the
slow,
ISP.
yeah.
Okay. It's okay. Prof, you said yours is installing already?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Please, what's the update? Time is going. I should wrap up this in the next 10 minutes.
I've installed, sir. I added the extension, but trying to find where the extension is.
No. After adding an extension, get on Google Docs and reload. Reload your Google Docs.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Then you need to create an account. So everyone, get on .org rather, and create an account. Like create an account. So the essence of doing all this, register on Zotero.org. We don't want you to see, you can't come to this kind of training and eventually still put your hands on your head that you lost your file or you were doing research, you missed citations or references. No. you've come to this kind of training, you should have an edge. You understand? So that's the essence of doing all this. To buy data is not a problem. If you do 5 gig in a month, if you are not watching unnecessary videos, Netflix and all, it will serve you. Though some persons don't do 5 gig, some do 100 gig a month. Yeah. So it depends on what you do with your data. Yeah. So please live online. Live online. Take this as an advice from me and an encouragement. Live online. When I mean live online, I'm not very active on WhatsApp. I get on WhatsApp, but I'm not very active. If you send email to me, I might respond faster to you than WhatsApp because of the so many distractions I have on WhatsApp. So I'm very, very discreet with the way I use WhatsApp. But I'm online. I do my things online, my documents and all, whatever I'm working. So even if I go anywhere and I don't have my PC with me, and I needed to do something, I can pick any PC I have around and do what I need to do. And that's occasionally. I go with my PC virtually everywhere. So live online. Let your documents be online. Okay, I think I'm gonna. I think that's one of the last things I said I'm gonna do for you today. But let's see if we still have time. If we don't have time, it's gonna be the first thing I will do with you at our next live session. And how you organize all your documents online and have everything set up. So are we together, please?
Yes, sir. I've seen the
Yes, yes.
extension.
All right, that sounds good. I'm glad you've seen the extension. So please get to zotero.org and sign up. Have an online account with Zotero because you want to sync both your offline Zotero with your online Zotero. Let me know when you do that. What's the update, please? Three minutes to go. We have 3 minutes to go. Can you respond quickly?
Trying to create a Zotero account, sir.
All right, all right. Okay. I think there's a guide for you in the in-call message. So you can pick that guide, click on the link. It will guide you on how to use Zotero. Yeah. So, and you can, while working on the docs, you can actually sync your Zotero with it, and it works fine. Any question? I think I should add that. Let me add that to additional materials for you also in the class. Let me add it. Additional materials. So if you check additional materials in the class, you will find it there also. I've added that Zotero tutorial there for you. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Any question? All right. So, Mr. Akindubi, over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Akinola. I want to appreciate you for the time taken this morning. I also want to appreciate everyone that is on the call this morning. And I also want to call attention to that we were unable to get some of our participants online this morning, possibly as a result of their engagement or network issues. I will try to interact with each of those persons immediately after this call. We want to thank you most sincerely. And like I said, on or before Tuesday, we are going to drop an evaluation an evaluation on the platform, on this platform, for each participant to go through. Also, immediately after this class, Mr. Akinola is going to provide a link to a pre-recorded session of what we have been taught this morning. Please let us endeavor to go through, since this will be the basis on which the assessment coming in next week will be based. And I want to ensure that everyone takes active part in each of the arms of this training. We want to thank everyone this morning and wish you a very pleasant weekend. Please, if you have any question, kindly reach out to us on the WhatsApp group. We are always there to attend to it.